Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. It feels so good to be back. I have been gone for a little while, but I am back better than ever, and I want to create more content for you guys. So I am really glad you guys are here, and I have my coffee. Like you guys know, I love my coffee, so I will be drinking this while I make this video because it's super late at night, and yeah, that's the only time I have to make these videos. But anyway, I'm rambling. So if you guys want to stick around and watch this haul slash review, keep on watching. So I actually already took a peek at the bag because I could not resist, you guys. This yarn looked really nice under I got it at Joann's on the website, and I actually got it on sale with free shipping. So for the 3 skeins that I got, I only paid like $12.50, I believe. So it's pretty good deal, and I'm gonna show you guys how this yarn looks. And here is the first color that I got. As you can tell, it's called Feels Like Bliss, and you guys, the name does it justice because this this yarn is super soft. It's like so fluffy, so soft, and I just love it. And I haven't even used it yet, but I'm gonna see the specifics on the Joann website, and it says, sorry if I look away, I'm looking at another device here. So it says, I'm gonna read it. Says this super soft and fussy yarn works up quickly, and it's a category 5 yarn, which I think might be a little thin for a category 5, but it's still thicker than a 4, I think. So I will show you a clip afterwards on me working with this yarn, so you guys can see for yourself. And it does have 109 yards, and it says it's a chain-made. It says it's a chain-knit, I think I'm saying that right, construction, and it has a hollow, airy core that creates a lightweight and lofty yarn. So Feels Like Bliss is great for stitching up cozy accessories like cows and scarves, as well as snuggly home decor projects. So I think this yarn is perfect for what the description says, and I actually am going to, the reason why I got this yarn is because I was looking for a really cozy yarn that I can use for some cozy slipper socks that I want to design, and I think this is the right yarn. I still have to see while I work it up to see if it's actually going to work for my project, but I think it is. And I looked everywhere and I could not find a yarn like this one, and then I went to Joann's, and I was like, I saw they had a new yarn, and I thought it was perfect for this. So I'm also going to show you guys the other 2 colors that I got because I thought they were beautiful. And you guys, if you guys follow me and you know, if you've been following me for a while, you know these colors are probably really predictable. But the next color that I got, it's called, oh, I didn't say the name on this one. The pink one is called Blush. So perfect name, and this yarn is actually 100% nylon. So that's interesting. So that's Blush, the one that I show you. And this one is called Sand Dollar. So look at that beautiful color, you guys. It's like a really creamy beigey color, and it's so soft. I just want to squish it. And the next color, honestly, I just got it for the name and because I like fall. And on the website it looked a little darker, but it's still pretty cute, and it's called Pumpkin Spice. So I had to get this color, you guys. And here's this. And the camera is showing a little bit too orangey, I feel like, but in real life it's more like a rusty color. And on the website it actually looked a little darker than this. So yeah, these are the three colors that I got. So look at that, you guys. Look at that color combo. So I'm thinking I'm doing the socks either two-tone, like with this, or with this one, which I think I might go with this one just because I already have a lot of pink stuff that I make, but I also love that one, so it's gonna be hard, you guys. But maybe for fall this is a better choice. So yeah, you guys, right off the bat I think this yarn is really nice. I do think it's thinner than a 5, just a tiny bit, and you get 109 yards, which is a little less than what other skeins usually come from. But right now on the Joann website it's $4.49, and it was originally $5.99. But I think for the quality of this yarn it's worth it. So yeah, if you guys want to try it, go on Joann's website. I think it's still 25% off. So you might want to get some of this for some coziness. And I will insert a clip after this of me crocheting with this yarn. Okay guys, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm so happy that you guys are here watching, and thank you guys for helping me reach over 700 subscribers while I was gone. And I promise I will make more videos soon. Alright guys, so for this yarn it actually says to use a 9mm hook, and I think it's might be too big for it, but for the purposes of this video I'm just gonna use the hook that this yarn calls for. So we're just gonna see how well this yarn works up, and it's actually feeling like stretchy right now. So let's chain 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so here is how it looks, and I can already tell why they want in a 9mm, and it's so that you are able to see where your stitches are at. I feel like if we use a smaller one, it's gonna be hard to crochet in the stitches. If you can see how fussy the yarn is, it's going to be a little hard to see where your stitches are at. But I think it's not gonna be as hard as like the other yarns that they have, like crap, I forgot the name of it. I'll insert the name here. Lion Brain has another yarn that it's really hard to use. So as you can see, it's kind of hard to tell where I want to do half double crochet, so I'm going to do it on the second chain. So there's 1, 2, and you're just going to have to fill your stitches with this yarn. It's not too bad. I can still kind of see where they're at, but definitely if you're a beginner, this yarn might be a little hard for you to start on, but if you are used to crocheting, I don't think it will be too hard. As you can see, I'm feeling my stitches with my finger. But it's actually not as hard as like the other yarns that I have tried that are fluffy. See how that's how it's looking. And this yarn, you guys, feels so soft, and I feel like the stretchiness is making it easier for me to see and put my hook in the right place. So no splitting with this yarn, and no fussies are coming out so far. So it feels really nice. Okay, so here are my 15 stitches. Yeah, I can tell this is gonna be perfect for my socks, you guys. And it's actually not too hard to see the stitches like I thought it was going to be. So I think a 9mm crochet hook is perfect. If you use a smaller one, I think you're gonna have a harder time, but I think this is gonna be great, you guys. So far so good. And you guys can make fussy pillows, anything cozy, and you guys know fall is coming up, and this yarn will be perfect for that, fall and winter. So you guys, I do recommend this yarn if you guys want to try it out. Go on to Joann's website. They have it on sale at the moment that I'm recording this video. I don't know if Lion Brand has it on their website. I didn't see it the last time I checked, but maybe they do now. So I think this yarn is a must, you guys. It's super soft. It's actually not too hard to work with like I thought it was going to be, and yeah, I think it's gonna be perfect for my project. I almost forgot to mention, you guys, this sign is probably backwards. I don't know how I'm going to fix that, but if you guys do any of my patterns, make sure to use the hashtag twchandmade on Instagram, so I can see your projects and I can share them with my followers. Okay guys, so thank you guys so much, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.